Christmas is almost here. Let me show you how to make this easy paint block Christmas tree. The supplies you need are paper and your choice colors of paint. First, fold the paper in half. Drip paint in a triangular shape on one side of the paper. Add different colors to your Christmas tree. Once you're happy with the colors for your Christmas tree, fold and push down your paper in half, making sure to spread the paint. Now it's time to add some more color and some ornaments. For this piece, don't worry about making it perfect. The more messy and the more fun you have with it, the better it'll turn out. And this is the final product. I love this craft because even if you use the same colors, not every tree looks exactly the same. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas!